What's up, guys? Talk About Picks is back with my boy. What we doing today, bro?
We are installing your diffuser and more. I don't want to disclose the other one, but yeah.
So what we're gonna do?
For how many years? 3 years?
Hold that right there, bro. Hold the difference right there. So we're gonna go big wing.
Is it this way or this way?
That's what that way.
Right?
Yeah, that way. We're gonna see the difference on the Voltex wing, and
I think it would look good.
hopefully I like it.
Hey, show them what's cooking over here, bro.
Oh, you wanna see
Show
it?
your
Right.
subscriber what's cooking over.
Man, you got 2 cars in here. Okay. What are we doing with this first one here?
So this one, it's not mine, but I'll talk to you about it.
Who's this one?
This is Anthony's EK hatch.
Oh, okay.
You know, Type R interior, everything, and then he's got a spare Type R front end that we're about to put in. He's gonna run B18 GSR, and then this is.
Oh, this is the one. This is the one. I don't even want to tell you guys how we got a deal on this car. We're gonna keep it on the low.
Yeah, but definitely you will see this car running on this vlog. But yeah.
Most definitely.
Hey, you wanna see something crazy? Look at this. This is Anthony's wheels. I got mine downstairs, but I'll show it to you anyway. Just for the content, bro. Hey Ant, I hope you're not gonna get mad.
Woo! Bro, what wheels are those? Oh my god! Bro, what? Those are like the wheels right there. Oh man, those are beautiful.
Yup, right there, bro.
Wow.
This is for Ant. That's for
this EK right here. So the diffuser we're gonna install is the spoon diffuser, made by Group A. And basically that's it right there. I had to cut it a little bit so it can fit with my dual exhaust, so we'll see how it looks. And then that's my boy's Lexus right here. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm hoping if it's perfect and we don't have to do any more cutting on the diffuser. And then like I said, I'm installing the wing stand, so we're going big wing. I'm excited for that. Let's see how it looks. Carbon fiber spoon diffuser. So it's going out so far. So we 3M'd some of it, just the side. The side over here as well, and then basically bolts right there. And then right now we have other bolts right here. So 1, 2. We're gonna have to drill holes there so we can put the other bolts and washers, the nuts as well. And then basically we're gonna have to do the same thing on this side. And hopefully that's pretty much it for installing the diffuser. Like I said, the 3M, the bolts on the side, and then the 2 bolts in the middle.
guess it's gonna be like this, right?
Yeah, that's a huge difference, bro. So this is the new brackets here, and then there's the old one there. So as you can see, definitely a huge difference. Woo! What a difference!
This shit is crazy.
Oh man, that is crazy right there. What you thinking, bro?
Bro, it's crazy. That's all I can say. This wing stand make more sense.
Yes, sir. So from the side view, that's how it looks now. Huge difference. Like I said, these are 295 millimeters stands. The brand on this is Aerogenics. If you guys, for example, want to look them up, the diffuser and the new wing.
Scar, bro. What do you do for a living, bro?
Oh, do adult films.
Adult film? Angle?
Alright guys, so I had to come out to the gas station. Better lighting, especially now at night. So this is how it looks from the side now. Now let me zoom into the wing. You can tell, huge difference on it. As you can see, definitely rolling. It's gonna look different. Top down. Really excited. But like I said, the turnout is a lot better than I expected. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the wing being too high, but it's pretty much perfect. I wanted to go with 275 millimeter brackets, but they didn't have them in stock, so I had to buy the 295, which is not bad. It looks a lot better than what I thought it was gonna look. So we're gonna stick with these, and that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Hopefully the next video I post will be on how the Evo sounds. I do want to record the Evo. I gotta do some fixing on the Evo though before I actually run it and record the sounding of it. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully by the time I drop this video I have 500 subscribers. Maybe I do a little giveaway on merch. I have new hoodies coming out and new long sleeves, so be on the lookout for that. And then if I'm gonna do a giveaway at 500 subscribers and a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so we're a long way from 1,000, but I do feel like we can make it happen. So thank you guys for all the support. It truly means a lot. And if you guys need anything, you guys already know, you guys could send me a DM through Twitter or Instagram. My DMs are always open. And hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Well, pretty much the rest of your night. And enjoy the weekend. And be on the lookout for the new pictures from the show. Love you guys, and peace.